Hi guys, good day. This is Teacher MJ and our topic for today is all about zero factorial. So one of my students asked me, "Sir, why zero factorial is equivalent to 1?" Now, this is the most commonly questioned by the student, that why zero factorial is equivalent to 1. Now, before we deal with factorial, have you ever wondered in algebra, if we say, in the algebra, it says that a raised to the power of 0 is equivalent to 1. That any number, any variable raised to the power of 0, the answer is 1. So let's try to check that. Let's try to explain that. What if we say 2 raised to the power of 1? That is equivalent to 2, right? Any exponent of 1, just simply copy your answer. Because any number, any variable, there is an exponent of 1. So what if we say 2 raised to the power of 2? The answer is 4, right? Because 2 times 2 is 4. 2 squared is 4. What if we say 2 raised to the power of 3? What is the answer, class? 2 raised to the power of 3. So it means that you multiply 2 by itself 3 times, and the answer is 8, right? That's correct. What if we say 2 raised to the power of 4? What's the answer? The answer is 16. That's correct. 2 raised to the power of 4, that means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 16. Now what if we say 2 raised to the power of 5? What's the answer? That's correct. That's 32. You multiply 2 by itself 5 times and you get 32. Now, have you ever wondered, class, that solving with these numbers, with the exponent is, we put it backwards, while the exponent is descending, okay? It is actually consecutive, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We descended. This is, the numbers are descending. So we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then check the answer, class. What have you noticed with the answers? If 32, we divide it by 2, how would you get 16? When we divide 32 by 2, the answer is 16, right? And when we divide 16 by 2, the answer is 8. So 32 divided by 2, the answer is 16, in which the number here, instead of 5, we make it 4. The numbers are decreasing. Okay? And there's a pattern. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what if we divide 8 by 2? 8 divided by 2. The answer is 4. Right? And which, this is 2 raised to the power of 1. Now 4 divided by 2. Right? 4 divided by 2 is 2. In which the exponent here is just 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what if we say we divide 2 by 2? 2 divided by 2. What is that, class? 2 divided by 2. So therefore, our answer here must be 1. And the pattern here, okay, this will be 2 raised to the power of 0. So when we divide 32 by 2, 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And check the numbers, class. We have the base of 2. Then the exponents are decreasing, in which it is actually consecutively increasing. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 0. So therefore, 2 raised to the power of 0, that's equivalent to 1. This is one of the thing that you need to do. We need to check if y 0, a raised to the power of 0 is equivalent to 1. This is one of the methods. There are so many methods in math class. So let's check about the factorial. Let's try to do this factorial by this way of explaining it. So what if we say 5 factorial? So what's 5 factorial? 5 factorial, it means 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And which our answer is 5 times 4, that's 20, times 3, that is 60, times 2, that's 120. What if we say 4 factorial? 4 factorial, okay, 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So 4 times 3 is 12 times 2, 24 times 1, that is 24. So what if we say 3 factorial? 3 factorial, that's 3 times 2 times 1. 3 times 2 is 6 times 1, copy, 6. What if we say 2 factorial? 2 factorial, that's 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. What if we say 1 factorial, sir? 1 factorial, that's 1 times 1, which is 1. And what if we say, sir, 0 factorial? So zero factorial class, let's try to check the answers here. Okay, check if there's a pattern. So what if we do to 120 so that we get 24? So if you divide 120 by 4, by 5, okay, 120 divided by 5. Let's divide 120 by 5. When you divide this one by 5, 120 divided by 5. Let's use the calculator. So 120 divided by 5, you get 24. So when you divide 120 by 5, you get 24. Now what number you divide in 24 so that you can get 6? When you divide 24 by 4, when you divide this one by 4, you divide 24 by 4, you get 6. And when you divide 6 by 3, you get 2. Right? So 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay, let me repeat that. 120 divided by 5 is 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. What will be next class? So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Therefore, 1 divided by 1, that is 1. So let's check the pattern, class. 120 divided by 5 is 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1. That's why 0 factorial is equivalent to 1. So this is one of the answers, or one of the keys to check why 0 factorial is equivalent to 1. We do have so many methods to check why 0 factorial is equivalent to 1. But this is the most convenient way, or this is the easiest way for you to check why 0 factorial is equivalent to 1. So if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe. Share it to your friends, class, so that they will know why 0 factorial is equivalent to 1. And you have a great day, and goodbye for now. Bye-bye.